Good fucking morning, bitches! Woo! Been a while since I did a breakfast video, so let's do a fucking breakfast video, shall we? I don't even know what the day is today. It's like 23rd of March? I think so. Yeah. March 23rd. Or thereabouts. 2019. I think it's 23rd. Anyway. So, we're gonna do a breakfast quesadilla. That's what I feel like having today. But first, go juice. I've already drank my green shit, so now let's drink the brown shit. Woo! I like that, eh? Let's get fucking rocking. It's a pretty basic fucking quesadilla. But first, drink up, buttercup. Nice. Alright, let's get the fucking rocking, shall we? You can go away. You can go away too. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quesadilla. Flour tortilla. I got some old cheddar, some garlic and herb cheddar, which I need to grate. Gonna use some Klik. Klik is like a Canadian version of Spam. Why buy the American one when I can buy the Canadian one? It's all made out of the basic same fucking shit. It's like mushed up hot dogs in a, well, hot dogs without the case in a can. And we're not as modern as the Americans. We don't have a pull tab. We still have the old fucking key. You gotta work for it. So, use a bit of garlic, some cream. I got some little cherry tomatoes here, bit of onion, salt, pepper. I'm gonna use a bit of green pepper, 3 eggs, and anything else I fucking feel like putting in there. Top it off with some HP, and yeah. So let me drink more of this and grate some cheese and cut shit up. All right, I'll be back. Woo! RTFO mofos. And remember, beer is good. It's just not good at this time today. But I'll be back. Woo. Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Okay. Garlic, tomatoes, green pepper. I wouldn't normally use a green pepper, like a brand new one, just to cut off a little chunk like that, but special day in the drunk house tonight. Making a big batch of beef and bean burritos. Bastard special. Woo! So, I had no problem using a little bit of that green pepper. We got onions. And our Klik. Spam type material. It's a bit much oil. Wasn't paying attention. I'm not going to use that much. I need to remove some. Give me a second. That's a little better. Just pay fucking attention next time. Pay attention. Okay. Onions. Not going to put the garlic in just yet. Turn that down a bit. Bitchy. 3 eggs, a bit of salt and pepper, and a bit of cream. I like cream in my eggs. You can put water. More fluffy if you use water. More creamy if you use cream. Use half and half. Okay, let this go for a couple of minutes. Okay, I'll be back. RTFO, mofos. Alright, throw a little bit of salt. Not much, because we already have salt in our eggs, and the Klik is kind of salty. Pepper. Throw the garlic in. Good. Give it a mixeroo. Yabba dabba doo. Woo! Alright. Down, yes, we're down. Do 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 do. A little more go juice. Alright. Good enough. Throw the fucking eggs in there, eh? Give me another little shot. Bang. Bingo bango. Bongo bongo. Good. You get the idea. Let's get her all fucking mixed up. Buttercut. Okay. I'll get this done. RTFO, mofos. Alright. That's been like 2 minutes. We're fucking good to go. Take that off the heat. Not completely done, but that's okay. That's what we want. Woo! Alright. Let's get organized. Let's get our tortilla on another pan. Alright. Give me a moment. I'll be back. Woo! Alright. Got a tortilla, got a new pan. Pan's heating up on a medium-low heat because we're just going to heat the tortilla up a bit. Just a little bit of vegetable oil here. Just a bit. Brush it on. Pan is dry. There you go. Bitchy. Bitchy. Perfect. Good enough. Good enough. Bang. That heat for a couple of minutes. Qu'est-ce que c'est? I don't know. It's a piece of another tortilla. Fuck off. Alright. So let that go. Heat her up 2 minutes. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. Good enough. She's warm. Whee! Get on there. Bitchy. Bitchy twitchy. Alright. This way. This way. Okay. Get some cheese on here. If you know what I mean. Jelly bean. This is the garlic and herb cheddar or whatever the fuck it is. It's very nice. I like it. It's good. The cheese will be oozing. Just for Mr. MMT. Okay. Good enough. Buttercup. Let's get some of this. Where's my big spoon? Come here, big spoon. Lay some of this out here. There you go, bitch turd. Get in there. Got enough for two. Good. This one is not enough. Okay, enough. Throw some HP on there. Come on, bitchy. HP rules, bitches. Now, old cheddar. Nice. Fucking beauty right there. Okay, good enough. That will be oozing. Fold her over. Pressez-vous. There you go. Rinse off the hands and wipe them off. Rinse off that plate. We'll be back in a couple minutes. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. It's been about 2 minutes. Let's give her an old flipperoo, shall we? Come on. Woo! Beauties. That color, eh? That's fucking gorgeous. Woo! Give her another couple of minutes on this side, and we're ready to fucking rock. Woo! Alright. Meet you over at the counter in about 2 minutes. Woo! Alright, bitches. There you go. Let's cut this baby up. I guess the title of this one will be, breakfast quesadilla number 1. I don't have any breakfast quesadillas videos. Sometimes it's just egg and cheese. Whatever you want. Bitchy! Nice. Both sides. Crisperoo. Da-da-doo. Right on. You want ketchup? Put ketchup. I'm going to use more HP. Need be. Probably will. Alright. Let's try this bitch out. Shall we? Rock it. Sorry, Kenny. No knife today. Fuck me. That's fucking good. Well, we know it's good. I made it. There you go. Breakfast quesadilla number 1. Sometimes I make it with hot sauce and jalapeno. That fucking cheddar is nice. Little extra HP. Cause if you don't like HP, then you got a problem. Fuck me. That's fucking good. Fuck off. There you go, bitches. Oh yeah. Bastard style. Quesadilla. Fucking delicious. And after I'm finished eating this, I'm gonna start on supper. Chopping my onions and my peppers. Browning my meat. Woo! Burrito night. Well, there you go. That's how you do it in the drunk house. hangover breakfast. Not really a hangover breakfast this edition. There's no hangover today. Just a slow start. But at this time, at this place, at this very fucking moment, it's time for a tea. Ha! Breakfast tea, eh? Well, fooled you. It is tea. Iced tea. That's what I should be playing in the background. Iced tea. Cheers, big ears. Ah, tea is good for you. Coffee and tea with breakfast. Alright, bitches. Woo, RTFO. Ta-ta. Take it easy. Piano, piano.